Hey chefs, it's Clara again, Chef Marty's AI assistant. There may be a situation where you want to delete an ingredient. Maybe something got discontinued, or maybe your hungover sous chef input some garbled data. Well, spoiler alert, you can do it. But there's a catch. Firstly, let's address the impatient elephant in the room. While in the ingredient summary page, you can't just right-click your way through changes on this page. The FoodCostChef Calculator prevents you from right-clicking and deleting. This is to protect the integrity and connection of the ingredients to your recipes and plates. If you could delete like this, then it's very likely you're going to break recipes that actually use this ingredient. Are you following me, chef? Take another sip of coffee and rewind if you need to. Like with everything else, you need to use a dialog window to make changes. Let's take a look at this innocent little shaker of Italian seasoning. It's in perfect shape, but for demo purposes, we're going to delete it. Click delete. No brain power used there. And look what happens. You'll get a warning like this telling you that no, chef. You can't do that because this ingredient is currently being used in a recipe. Chef, the FoodCostChef Calculator is preventing you from being your own worst enemy. In this case, it's only one recipe, but the program will list all of them. So I'm going to create a new ingredient to replace this one in that recipe. It happens to be the same product, so I'll just give it a slightly new name and add it to the ingredient table. Now I'll open that recipe, type Italian. Here's the old seasoning I want to delete. Type in my new ingredient. There it is in the drop-down. Select. I don't have to change the amount used here. It saves automatically. Close the recipe. And now back to the ingredient list, and we'll pop open that original seasoning. You still get a brief warning, but if you're fully sober and can make good decisions today, you go ahead and select yes. There you go, chef. You did it. Now go out there and have fun today. Ha ha ha, right. Chef, this is Clara for Chef Marty. Remember, it's only good food if the math works.